Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nigadoo is a hidden gem nestled between Beresford and Petit Rocher in beautiful New Brunswick. It holds a rich history that dates back long before the Acadians arrived. The Mi'kmaq people were the first to discover the natural shelter offered by the riverbanks here. They named this place Nigadoo, which in their native language means hiding place or refuge. Situated at the mouth of the Nigadoo River on Nepesiguit Bay, about 15 kilometers northwest of Bathurst, Nigadoo's history is filled with legends of strategic ambushes and battles between the Mi'kmaq and Mohawk warriors. This makes it a spot of deep cultural significance. On January 1, 2023, Nigadoo joined with other municipalities to form the new town of Belle Bay, but its unique name continues to be officially recognized.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Nigadoo, New Brunswick.
Thanks for watching!